Try it, please. Hola amigos, I'm Ulysses and right now let's make one seaweed salad. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna use those kind of veggies, greens. You know, veggies, seaweed salad mix. No, I mean, I won't use only those kind of greens. I'm gonna use some more greens. I'm gonna tell you quickly about the ingredients. It's very easy. And the dressing is boom, it's amazing. You should try it at home. And also, thank you for playing this video. If I didn't say before, thank you. I really appreciate it. Actually, this is a month later. You know, if this works good. I mean, doesn't smell bad, but I'm gonna try it. So if I die, so you know why. Quickly about the ingredients. Plain yogurt, plant-based yogurt. I'm gonna use right now a quarter of cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of some syrup. Use any or something sweet. If you have sugar, works good also. Half tablespoon of this is vinegar, apple cider vinegar, but if you have rice vinegar, it's better. 1 tablespoon of organic umami flavor, and also 1 table. You cannot believe what is this. Ginger beer. Yeah, ginger beer. You know that secret. And also, what about the greens? I mean, right now I'm gonna use something like it's half cup to 1 cup of kelp noodles, microgreens. You know, use any kind of microgreens. Oops. A quarter cup of edamame. And optional sesame seeds. Nori flakes, if you have the powder flakes. So it's time to make it. It's time to do it. So thank you for playing this video one more time, and let's do it. So amigos, then the first thing that I have to do is soak them by 7 minutes. 7 minutes. I tried this before, and actually I recommend you this. Those are good. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, a little bit more of this. Okay, that's good. So then in a little cold to warm water, you know, 7 minutes, and I'm gonna leave it aside. Plain yogurt, 4 tablespoons of a quarter of cup. It's the same. Apple cider vinegar, umami flavor. What else? Sweetener. And ginger beer. Amigos, is this optional? If you wanna add it a little extra ginger, do it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And right now it's time to mix it. Oh my god, that soy sauce is very good. You should try it. It's very easy and delicious. Also, this is optional. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. Amigos, 7 minutes later. You know, one bowl, my kelp noodles, my microgreens, rainbow microgreens, cilantro microgreens, edamame. So, no water, please. No water, no water. So amigos, discard or remove the water as much as you can. And right now it's time to dust it. So amigos, just dust it. A little bit or extra black sesame seed, nori powder or nori flakes. You can use any kind of color, there is no big deal. Orale. So amigos, just dust it very good. Well, everything. Make sure that everything is dusted. Make sure that everything is dusted. I'm gonna show you how this really looks like. Oh my god, smells so good. Amigos, just make sure that everything is mixing. Everything. Even the noodles with your salad veggies. So amigos, how I said before, just I'm going to add it a little bit of the seaweed greens. Why not? If I'm gonna die, you know, what's expired and you least took the risk. But I don't think this is gonna be a big deal. And actually I don't wanna throw away those. Just I'm gonna add a little bit. More microgreens, and oh my god, I don't know why. Voila! So amigos, I hope you get this idea. It's very easy, very simple. It smells so good. This yogurt, you can try with any other kind of yogurt. I mean, try to use plant-based yogurt and add a little extra, give it a little extra flavor. Try to adjust the flavors. If you want something more spicy, more with soy sauce, you can add it. Also, you can replace it. If you don't have the umami flavors, you can add it some soy sauce. And I recommend you use rice vinegar. Also, add more greens if you want. Also, if you want, this is what I have right now at home. And I decided added a little of ginger beer. So this is one tip. I hope you get it, and it's very easy and delicious. I promise that you're gonna love it. I tried. It smells good, but for sure this is gonna be better. Try it. Try it, please. Thank you for staying until this part of this video, and see you soon. Peace and love, and I have to go. I have to eat. Da-da-dee. Da-da-da. Da-da-dee. Oops. Da-da-da, da-da-dee, da-da-da. The flavor is amazing. It's incredible. It's incredible. Also, if you wanna, you can add garlic. I recommend you. I mean, I love fresh garlic, but in this case, you can use black fermented garlic. You're gonna love it. Try it. I'll leave you the recipe below. I hope you get it, and see you soon. Peace and love. Love to the seaweed salad.